What's up, Yooniverse? It's Julie here, and welcome back to our channel. I thought I would just check in with you to let you know what's going on for our plans for 2020 and keep you updated about what we've been going through in the past month. I know that I had a heart-to-heart talk with you not too long ago, telling you about why I almost quit YouTube, but I assure you we're back. Also, please bear with me because I am fighting off a cold. It is really hard to talk, but I really wanted to get this out for you. So I hope you enjoyed our whole vlog reality series of Thanksgiving. I don't know, that was something that we just tried, something different for our channel, where I took you grocery shopping and it was kind of like that reality show style of just cook with me, clean with me, and prepare for Thanksgiving. I know I got some feedback and a lot of you enjoyed it, so I'm thankful for that. Also, I hope you watched our previous video of our 20 Amazon kitchen gift ideas. And if you haven't, go give that a watch because I have a lot of good ideas in there. And so that kind of segues into what's coming up for 2020. I have some favorite must-have kitchen tools in a lineup in the works. Also, I'm gonna break down those kitchen tools into more specific videos to go into further detail about why you need this kitchen tool, what I like about it, what to look for in that particular tool. For an example, what's a good chef's knife? I have a lot of recommendations for that too. I'm also going to be focusing on more life skills and techniques, as I mentioned before. We're going to go back to basics and we're going to gear towards the beginner cook because I know that a lot of you are just starting out or you just like easy recipes and easy techniques and little kitchen hacks, like how to clean a crusty cast iron skillet. And of course, there's going to be more recipes. A lot of them are in the works. For instance, I'm actually testing a recipe right now in a slow cooker as I speak, and it smells amazing. So there's a lot going in the works, and I'm going to be focusing on, as usual, easy, simple recipes that are quick to make or that you could throw in a slow cooker, utilize an air fryer. Yes, I just got one. Not to be sidetracked or anything, but I just bought this air fryer. Actually, Joe picked it up for me and it's still in the box, so I didn't get to see what it looks like, but now I see it and it's cool. It's endorsed by Cat Cora. And maybe even meal prep recipes, because I'm listening to you and when I asked you what you're looking for, that's the feedback I got. How we're going to improve on the personal side of things is that we've been kind of busy this month, which is why there hasn't been that much posting, but because we've been trying to get Lincoln into preschool. Yes, so that means we're going to have a little bit more devoted time to focus on filming more for you, and we're also changing up our style so that we can try to get more videos out to you more often. And on the business side of things, we're going to update and improve our website, chefjulieyoon.com. I know a ton of you go there for reliable recipes because all of the printed recipes and step-by-step are in there as well. But we're going to make it so that it's easier to navigate because it's kind of messy right now and Joe's in the works. He's going to try to streamline it, make it more searchable, more easy, more user-friendly. We're also going to concentrate on a mailing list. If you've already signed up for our mailing list, I'm sorry that I haven't been so good about sending you out things, but that's just like another thing I'm working on. We're going to try to grow our mailing list and then give you back some things that we don't even see here on this channel. Some extra tidbits, tips, maybe some extra bonus recipes. And on that note, I wanted to ask you, are you guys interested in some sort of membership program? Now, this is something that we're playing with and that's still in the works. We don't know if we're going to actually execute it or not, but this would give you more direct access to me. Maybe you could do some more cook with me's. Maybe we could cook together in real time. I can field your questions better. We could do some Q&As. Maybe I'll take you shopping with me. So with mashed potatoes, the best varieties, and they did a good job, is to either get Yukon Gold or Russet, and these happen to be right near each other. So Yukon Gold tends to have a nicer look, and some people prefer it for the flavor, but Russets will provide a creamier texture. Some bonus things and extra real-life cooking that you won't get here on our channel. Also, we hope to cultivate a cooking community so that we can get to know each other better and you guys can get to know each other better too, because I feel like we're all friends here, right? So if you are interested in some sort of bonus features or a specific membership, I guess exclusive membership program, let me know if you'd be interested in it, and then maybe we'll work on something to get that out for you. This kind of like focused membership program will get us to have more face-to-face time. I can answer more of your specific questions and we could cook together in real time. Doesn't that sound fun? Also, if you haven't checked it out already, we have a vlog channel. It's our newly revived vlog channel Life with Julie Yoon, and I just recently put out our latest video called A Day in the Life, so you can see what I'm up to when I'm outside of the kitchen. Thanks to those of you who have already followed me on Instagram and have made strides and put comments down to encourage us. We've really been hearing you, and it's been blessing our heart, and it means so much to us that you're going out of your way to do that, to leave us encouragements and affirmations, and that's why we feel motivated to go the extra mile and do a Chef Julie Yoon Revival 2.0 version in 2020. I think 2020 is going to be a really big year, don't you think? Remember to push that subscribe button and hit that bell for notifications so you know when our next new videos come out. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll see you in 2020. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!